Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, we are going to locally install this OmniAudio 2.6 billion model, and then we will also see how it works. This model has been developed by Nexa AI. I already have covered Nexa on the channel a lot. So just search on the channel and you should be able to find a lot of videos around Nexa, its SDK, what exactly Nexa is. In very simple words, you can say that it is sort of an OLAMA alternative. Nexa SDK is a local on-device inference framework for GGML and ONNX models. It supports text generation, vision language, image generation, audio language model, speech to text, text to speech, or TTS, and then you can even install it through Python package or through some executable. It works on GPU, CPU, Metal, ROCm, iOS, you name it. So this is a quick introduction of Nexa, and for further information please search it out. Coming back to this OmniAudio model, this is the world's fastest and most efficient audio language model for on-device deployment as per its creator. We will also see shortly when we install it locally. It's a 2.6 billion parameter multimodal model that processes both text and audio inputs. It integrates three components: Gemma to 2 billion, Whisper Turbo, and a custom projector module that enables secure, responsive audio text processing directly on edge devices. Unlike traditional approaches that chain ASR and LLM models together, OmniAudio 2.6 billion unifies both capabilities in a single efficient architecture for minimal latency and resource overhead. So, this is a quick intro of OmniAudio. Let me also thank Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. But for this model, you really don't have to create that need that much VRAM. Okay, so first up, let's install Nexa. In order to install Nexa, all you need to do is to run this command, and this is going to install it on your GPU device. So you see it is downloading it and then it is going to install it. It's very quick and doesn't take too long. So let's wait for it to get installed. And Nexa is installed. Next, let's download and run our model, which is OmniAudio. And this is all you need to do. Nexa run OmniAudio SD. First, it is going to download the model and then it is going to run it. So you see the speed at mass compute is quite good. And look at the model size, just under 2 gig. That's nothing really, and that is why it is very well suited for the edge devices. So, and then there is this projector which primarily aligns the audio model with the text, and that is just over 1 gig. And then it is verifying the download, and that's pretty much it. It is going to run this very fine. I believe it's a Streamlit demo. I'm just going to make the screen bit shorter. Okay, that's much better. Now you can either record your audio or you can just simply get your audio from here, and you can also give it a text prompt. So I'm just going to go to my local system and then grab an audio file from here. Maybe I'll just go with this one, and then let me click on process audio. It is processing, as you can see here. Let me also show you the VRAM consumption, which is just a indication of how much it is using. So you see, it's not even using VRAM here. It is all on CPU, and it has already done, converted that audio into text all on CPU fairly quickly. How good is that? And let me play it to see if you can hear it.
Leaving the corpse within the house, they go themselves to and fro about the city and beat themselves, with their garments bound up by a girdle.
So hopefully you are able to hear it. And if you compare that audio file with this response, it is perfectly fine. Okay, so let's try another one. Maybe I'll just go with Chinese this time. Let me click on process audio and I will also play it for you.
院子门口不远处就是一个地铁站，这是一个美丽而神奇的景象。树上长满了又大又甜的桃子，海豚和金鱼的表演是很好看的节目。邮局门前的人行道上有一个蓝色的邮箱。
So if you're a Chinese speaker, please confirm if this transcription of that audio is right or no. Okay, so let's try another one. Sorry, I just clicked on this one. Okay, I'll just click on browse files and then maybe I'll just go with something this which contains some of the other expressions like that. So let me process it and let me play it too.
Influence our natural surrounding? How does it influence our ecosystem?
Yeah, let me play again.
Influence our natural surrounding? How does it influence our ecosystem?
Okay, so I think this is not a transcription in the sense it is just taking that audio as a prompt and then it is processing the audio. So this is what is happening here, which is quite interesting. I thought it is just doing speech to text, but it is basically taking it as a prompt and then responding to it. Okay, now next up, let's try another one. Maybe I'll just try this one. What is happiness? Okay, let's process audio. Okay, it says that it doesn't have enough context to generate response to what is happiness or what is happiness in this context. Okay, so in that case, maybe I'll just say describe the happiness in context of money maybe, and then let's do it again. There it says that yes, it sounds like you're reflecting on the concept of happiness in relation to wealth. Many people equate happiness with financial security and success, thinking that money leads to a happier life. However, true happiness often comes from meaningful relationship, experiences, and personal growth. That is quite good. Very, very fine answer. Let's try another one. I'm just going to say so this one is just listen to it. How many letter are there in the word strawberry? Okay, and then I'll just say review your answer and validate it about how many letter are. Let's process it. Okay, let me reload this. Sometime it happens. If that happens, you can simply go here and check everything is working fine. It is. And then let me browse the file again, and then here, and then I'll just say count and validate letter R. Okay, so for some reason it is not giving it to us, so in that case just control X and then just rerun it. That is good. Close the previous window and then let's do it again. Count the letter R and validate it. Let's browse the file again and then let's run it. So where is the process audio? Okay, I'm just waiting for, okay, if that doesn't happen, you see that I am not editing it, I'm just showing you as is. Okay, let's do it again. There you go, much better. Now I'll say count and validate letter R. Let's process audio. Okay, much better this time. Let's see if it can count the letter R's in strawberry. It says it seems like you're asking about the word strawberry and how many letters it has in the word. If strawberry has one letter R, then it would be just one in total. You see, it can't do that. Very interesting. Okay, so I think I'll just say math. I'll remove this. I'll play this. Solve this math equation. X plus y is equal to x minus y. Let's process audio. There you go. So it says that it implies a constant value of x. Okay, so it has given us some answer, but you can see it's not as, good as we would have thought, the one which we have seen with the full language model. But still, I think not bad at all. For simple prompts, for simple answer, it is okay. But for complex one, I think due to the size and stuff, it doesn't work as good as you would have thought. But anyway, good effort. If you are looking for a small lightweight model for your edge devices in GGML format with a very low memory footprint which could run on CPU, maybe this could be the option. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.